Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to add or set your pronouns on Pinterest. Right now I'm on Pinterest's home screen, and at the bottom of the screen you can see we have about 5 icons: a home icon, a search icon, a create icon, a notifications icon, and a saved icon. We're going to click on the one who's at the bottom right corner, the saved icon. And once we're here, we're at our profile right now, and at the top right corner you can see 2 icons, a little arrow icon and a 3 dots icon. We're going to click on the 3 dots icon, and now we have settings or copy profile link. We're going to click on the settings, and as you can see we have a lot of options right now, but we're going to pick the first one, public profile. And after that, as you can see, we have a few options here to change your profile picture, to change your name, about, tell your story, website. If you have a website, you can add it here, pronouns, and that's where we're gonna stop at the pronouns. So share how you like to be referred to. So add your pronouns, and mine's are she, her, and then you have to click on the top right corner, done, and there we go. That's how you set your pronouns. Thank you guys for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful stuff. Bye guys.